Heyo, what's up, guys? It's Macy right here. So that game, I loved it. I don't think you can see it. Boom! I figure can figure. Oh, you don't need to see it. Really nothing. Phantom Forces got 10 kills. If you're wondering why there's a screen right here, it's because the camera. Hey, it's on top of the computer. So that's why there's a camera. So stupid. Freak, you left? He was playing. Idiot Plays, if you know him. You should know him. If I have subscribers, and I know I've. Wow! Without trying, let's go! 10 different videos. Okay, guys, figure cam. I'm gonna pause it till the next game. So, yeah. Ayo. See, wait. So yeah, I told you I would be back. And look at people are already ready. Get into it. Guys, I spawned in the bathroom. Let's go. Ah, that snipes.
Alright, you know what?
Good snipe in this.
Just because I don't. Shout out to
Turn that down, turn that down, turn that down, turn that down, turn that down! I'm gonna freaking look at the video file and I fell out of the map. Guys, if you can hear that in the background, I'm sorry. We love that singer. I'm not even gonna say them because
Wait, no,
you might not
I'm
need
not
it.
gonna do it.
Look at this! Look at this finger movement! Look at this finger movement! I've actually
Alright,
never seen that.
These guys are just YouTubers.
Titties. I like titties. I would usually go like this, but I was going like holding it.
Alright, since of course
Jake plays. Hey, Jake Paul. I didn't know Jake Paul played this. Guys, I hate Race Gum. Race Gum is a bitch. Race Gum, I freaking hate him. He's a dildo. Okay. Race Gum, you're a dildo. Race Gum, you're a dildo. Race Gum, you're a dildo. I hate Race Gum. Kill him.
Since this is not.
Yeah, guys, I could kill him.
See, if these guys are.
End to him. End to his YouTube channel. I'm gonna make it to C White, and I'm gonna get all the views. Shut up.
Okay, these guys didn't get copyrights on things.
You know why they didn't? Because they asked for permission. Oh, God! That's how you win. Pew! Of Spider-Man. Guys, I'm gonna watch over the video file. If you can hear any music, I'm restarting. Have fun. I'm not letting.
I decided.
I see you! Oh, God.
I would say
Guys, I hold the most too tight. Oh, God. Guys, I'm at low health too. wonder if I could do a Fortnite thing. Wait, let me pop it up. Shout out to Fortnite, but I play it. I wonder if I can record on it. If I can, I'm gonna go kill this guy for you guys. I was trying to kill the other guy, you freaking bitch! So guys, I'm gonna end it randomly actually, so if it just ends guys, that's me, okay? It's just me ending it. Okay, I'm just gonna end it, like, so you might see me go like that and then end it, but I'm playing Phantom Forces. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it whatever. Fortnite? Been playing it for a while.